Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you that can you see your airdrop history. If you're using an iPhone and now you want to see your airdrop history, so let's see how can I do this. Basically, there's no any built-in or official way to see your airdrop history on iPhone, but there's a simple way to do this. You just have to go to your files app, just open it, and files app, just select browse and browse here. So you have the favorite section. You just have to go to downloads in your favorite section, and here you'll get some information about if your airdrop history has been changed. But if you won't get it here, so you have the second option, which is to use an app which can access the airdrop history. There are some apps to do this. You have two apps, basically Dropbox or Google Drive, which can access your airdrop history. So that's how you can see your airdrop history on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.